Hey, Dewey McDonald here. Guarantee RV, we got a nice new unit come in. It's a bunkhouse model, 30 BHS, Coachmen Chaparral. Come on inside, let's take a peek. It's got the new solid step that actually, it's adjustable, but it's solid. It folds up inside the trailer, but there's no movement, so a lot of customers are liking this new step. So walk in here. So here's the bunk model we were talking about. It's got a little mid bunk. So you got a little bunk room for the kids, which is kind of cool. So a little single bunk, spot for TV, cabinet right there, and a little dresser. So then this floor plan, you got a nice slide out on both sides of us here with your table and chairs. Your couch just makes into a hide-a-bed. You got your shades right there, but big windows. Windows on side of the TV. You got your stereo TV, electric fireplace there. Thomas Paine furniture with your, this actually has heated massage. These are electric recliners. Storage above us, storage above here. LED lights throughout. Air conditioning above us with nice lighting. Fantastic fan up there. So this has the single refrigerator and freezer here. And then you got the stainless steel package. So you got microwave, fan hood, the Furrion glass top with the nice big burners, the oven with the glass door, the new oven. So good counter space. You got a big double sink, stainless steel sink. You got pantry here, storage below here too, both spots underneath here. More storage up here. And they got nice lighting here for if you're going to work in here in the kitchen. And here's your controls for your heaters past the bunkhouse. So here's your controls here for your water heater, your slide outs, your lights and stuff right there. You walk in. So this has got the walk around bathroom. You got the nice big shower here with the guys solid doors that slides open. Skylight above us so a big guy can go in. Porcelain toilet. And then you got a nice counter here, a little space there, more storage below us here, lots of storage. So this is a slide out here. So this is your closet right here. You got more hanging space right there. Nice big closet. And then you got dresser on top right there on both sides. You got storage on there and a little one over there. Underneath storage for the bed, lifts up, so you got plenty of storage under there. So this unit actually has second AC in the bedroom. We ordered it that way, so because you got your heat coming out here, you're pre-wired for if you want a TV in the bedroom. Here's your bracket, you can put it on. You got cross ventilation for the windows, USB plugs up there for your phone, whatnot, to charge your phone. It's kind of cool. So a lot of headroom in here. This little sticker right here, this is a 4-season coach, but this little Asdel sticker, basically you can see, look in the sidewall here and you see this white material. So that Asdel product's built into the sidewall. There's no way for water to get in this sidewall. So what happens, you get water, they'll bubble, warp, delamination they call it. So they've been building this trailer for 9 years, not had one trailer come back. So they advertise no rot, no mold, no mildew. It's a great trailer. I saw a lot of people at the coast, you know, because they're the worst ones that have the moisture problem. But for anybody, I mean, that's an awesome product. So, storage here. Under there, you got a big storage bay, goes all the way through for there to store all your chairs and all your goodies. You got an electric awning above us with LED strip going across. Speakers for outdoor speakers there. Propane tank, one on each side. One here, one on the other side. So then there's storage in the front. That's where your battery goes. Battery and extra storage. So you're made for a short box. It's got the super turning radius. So this is, you don't have to have a special hitch for a short box trailer, or truck, I mean. So LED strips in the front. Here's your control panel here. For your this has got auto leveling jacks, your shut-off valve for your battery disconnect, outdoor shower. Here's where you hook up your water. There's your water heater right there. Plug in for your service right there for the coach. All your sewer right there. But these two slides on this side, and then the back, you've got it actually comes with the pre-wired for a backup camera on the back. It's got a ladder rack to get up on top to do some maintenance, and it actually comes with a hitch here, so you can put a bicycle rack here if you want to carry bikes. So that's kind of cool. So it's made from the factory that way. So we sell toy haulers on this lot, fifth wheels, campers. I sell trailers, motorhomes, you name it. Come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV.